Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make powder pickle. This is not a authentic style powder pickle or dhule achar. This is with multiple seed, so it is very healthy as well as tasty, easy to make. You can store this pickle in airtight container up to 3 months. For making this, all you need is pumpkin seed, watermelon seed, grated coconut, sesame seed, salt as per your taste, coriander seed, dry chili, ginger, garlic. Also you need Szechuan pepper. This is Timur. Black pepper powder. I use Nepali hongnut powder. You can also use tamarind or mango powder for sourness. I already roast all the seeds. Now I am going to add all the ingredients in a mixing jar. Now I am going to add all the ingredients that we prepared earlier. Black pepper powder, ginger garlic, hongnut powder, and salt. Now I am going to grind this. You don't need to make a fine powder for this recipe. This consistency is okay for this. You can have this with rice, roti. You can season a salad with this. It is very tasty pickle. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next time. Bye.